फारा को माइक देना चाहिए always.
So,
Okay, just to say, the presentation is done, and Ambipure जीत गया. You have to say yes.
I have to say that Ambipure has won. My smell fee challenge has been blown to pieces.
Thank you so much. So thank you, Farah. First time she has conceded defeat in our friendship. I'm saying friendship,
Friendship.
not,
Yeah, we are
not
just good
relationship.
friends.
We're not.
We are just good friends.
Yeah. We're just good friends. And
The sad part is they actually believe that we are just good
I
friends.
know. Yeah. कोई कभी आज तक किसी ने लिखा नहीं हमारे बारे में कोई ऐसी use
कोई लिखो please.
हम
We
जब
are
बोलते हैं
trying
तब कोई
to
लिखता
spread
नहीं,
this
नहीं
rumor
बोलते
for
सब.
many years.
well, ladies and gentlemen, from what we see, Maxim has already explained us the science behind Ambipure, and Farah has also agreed that yes, Ambipure has.
Yes.
You have the vote.
Ambipure has won.
Ambipure
As
is
well.
I will be using it whenever I cook fish in the house.
Awesome.
Not on the fish, but
Yeah, in the air.
So well, then on that note, we'll have the floor open for questions.
You all can ask us
from our
any
friends.
questions.
Jyoti wants to ask something.
We have a,
Where is
I
Jyoti?
know his
Hello.
question also.
Jyoti is here.
His question is when is lunch?
Yeah.
Yes,
Hi
Bolu
Jyoti,
sir.
how are you?
so we have a question.
Yeah, we
so
go to Jyoti.
unfortunately, the mic has gone to the
Yeah,
gentleman.
mic
there,
is
sir.
here
Can we-
already.
How can
Hello.
it be that the floor is open and Jyoti doesn't ask the first question? आज तक हुआ ही नहीं है.
Hello,
Anyway,
sir.
sir, very happy that you've broken that tradition.
Okay.
Sir.
Mr. Boni, last when we met,
Ji.
it was Ambipure's event. It
Yes.
was in Tardev, in
Yes,
a
sir.
mall.
Yes, sir.
आज हम इधर मिल रहे हैं ताज
जी।
में. यहाँ तक का सफर आपका कैसा रहा? कितना फ्रूटफुल रहा? क्या क्या बातें हुई? थोड़ा
तारदेव से यहाँ तक उनको almost
एक
one
साल
hour
लगा
लग गए यहाँ पर
उनको.
आने
आपका
के
सफर
लिए.
कैसे रहा?
Actually, तारदेव में मेरे साथ मेरी बीवी थी. So it was a sweeter suffer, and now I have to suffer.
Hello.
But it's been a wonderful another year with Ambipure, because I'm very confident. You know, you stand on stage when you talk about the product, you should be confident about it. All the advertising is like a reality advertising. हम कुछ set up नहीं करते. वो सचमुच people on the street, we catch them, we make them sit in the car, and we actually shoot like a reality show. And you're confident that when they sit in the car and there's all garbage in the car, there has to be confidence in the product for me to sit over there and say, when they blindfold their eyes and you say, what do you smell? They say, we're getting this smell and a breezy smell and a feels like I'm in a garden. And you open the eye patch and they see there's all junk behind. So we are confident of the product, and it makes me feel nice to be involved in such a product. So it's been a great journey from Tardev to Land's End, from Suhana Safar to Safar.
Good afternoon to all.
I love you, darling. Don't.
This is Farah Khan here.
Yes, sir.
What's the USP of this product, and is this expensive product? Ambipure.
I don't think it's not.
Farah uses only free stuff in her all her life.
No, I don't think it's expensive.
No, it's not. It's not.
At all. Bowman has been the brand ambassador for
It's
many
not
years.
expensive
I've
at
come
all.
as a guest because I actually challenged him. इतने साल से ये बोल रहा है Ambipure. So I had to check out whether
She came to
सही
check
भी है
me
कि
out.
नहीं.
Yeah, she came.
And yeah, we just need a chance to meet in
Chance to meet in
hotels.
public in front of the press. Yeah.
तो
Baman?
I will be using the product now definitely. और सच्ची मेरे घर में अभी कुत्ते भी आ गए हैं. तो my daughters adopted two doggies और dog का smell जिनके पास dogs हैं, monsoon में dogs का smell is very hard to remove.
Sorry, Parsi dogs don't smell. I just want to say.
Parsi dogs don't bark also, that's different. But so I will be using the product definitely.
बमन माइक आ गया मेरे पास.
Venkatesh, Mike आ गया. Jyoti Venkatesh. Give a big hand. Veteran journalist. Give a big hand. My first ever interview with the press from this public, in a group was Jyoti Venkatesh put up his. Sir.
Thank you. सवाल है कि Ambipure, in how many fragrances is it coming? Lavender, rose.
Yes.
Which other?
There are 6 fragrances. There are 6 fragrances, and my favorite is always lavender. But there are 6 different fragrances, and they are all, each in its own way, are wonderful.
Sandalwood.
Yes. But I in my home, it's always lavender for some reason. I shouldn't be pushing one fragrance. I'm so sorry. I hope you don't mind. But I have to tell the truth. That's the fragrance I call for, always. So I won't lie and say, I have one of this for this room and one of this for the bathroom and one of this for the kitchen. Sorry. I use lavender in all the rooms.
अच्छा, Baman said that Even earlier he used to use Ambipure.
Yes.
And now he has become the brand ambassador.
Yes.
Farah, have you used any of these products earlier?
No, I started using it when I put the smell free challenge actually. Let me be honest. I started using it when I put the challenge to him. I started using for the dogs. And now for the fish, I was waiting to check whether it's actually going to happen. But I definitely going to be using it from now on.
And Baman, in what way is this going to be different from the other similar products in the market?
Efficacious. I think it works for me. I have not tried the other products. So even before I brought in a product into the house, this was the first product that came to me. I have not used any other product, honestly.
Actually,
Okay, let me be
Jyoti,
honest.
Whenever you think of air freshener, the first word that comes in your
Yeah.
mind is Ambipure.
Just Ambipure the room. But let me tell you something. Before this, I used to use something. And that used to be my expensive colognes. And let me tell you, it makes matters worse. It really does. And I was trying to sound like a technician, I mean an expert on the thing. It does make it worse. You're saying, what's this? There's something wrong over here. Ambipure works for bad odors in the house.
So that's
It's simple. There's a chemical formula to
Which you all
fight
have
bad
not been paying attention to.
Yeah,
After
yeah.
the lecture he gave you
आप
all.
सुन नहीं रहे मतलब जो
so maybe I can recap
No, it's okay. No.
to add to
We
his
got it,
lovely.
we got
शुरू हो जाएगा वापस.
The unique thing about Ambipure is that
Quickly,
we have
another
three
question.
different technologies in there, right?
जल्दी कोई पूछो सवाल. हाँ, बोलो. Yes.
Ma'am,
Give it the
ma'am, we'll
lady
just
a
hand over
mic.
the mic to you. Just a second. We'll just hand over the mic to you.
Yes, ma'am.
मेरा ये प्रश्न है कि कई बार क्या होता है कि एम्बिपर को जब स्प्रे किया जाता है तो कई बार इरिटेशन होते हैं गले में और इस तरीके से खांसी आती है तो एलर्जी जैसा तो इन व्हाट वे मींस हाउ इट कैन बी यूज्ड इन दैट सिनेरियो मींस पहले
देखो इसको ऐसे
spray
नहीं
का-
यूज करा
No,
माउथ
no,
फ्रेशनर नहीं है ये.
no,
हाँ.
इन व्हाट वे लाइक रूम में करने के बाद में या बंद कर दे
There could be an itch, there could be an allergy. Is that an
No,
Ambipure
no.
problem?
So,
No, we
what
don't
is the
face-
proper way to use the Ambipure at home?
So in the air, so typically you use it for, like if you're in a medium-sized room, you use it for 3 seconds in the air, in a kind of an arch kind of way, just to make sure it's, and then
So-
it cleans or removes
Correct.
the odor in the full air.
मैं तो बोलती हूँ जैसे प्लेन्स में नहीं ऐसे लेके ये लोग जाते हैं.
No,
Yes.
there is a
डाला
way.
करो.
There's an application. Yeah,
Correct,
yeah,
that is
she's
correct,
right.
actually.
She's right. Farah is always right. But the way is actually ऐसे मतलब जो सिखाया गया मैं ऐड में भी करता हूँ मतलब जितने रिटेक करने पड़ते हैं इसके लिए.
Wow, what body
That's it.
language. Wow.
Superb. That's it. Okay, there's another thing that you do for application, and that is on curtains and entrance to the room. So the doorway, you put it in the corners. So when you enter, you get a good feeling. Yeah, you can, and you should.
Especially if there's someone in the room with you. You should close the room that time.
Hello, yeah. Farah, Eid Mubarak to you first.
Eid Mubarak to all of
Are
you.
all of you Eid Mubarak. Let's everybody.
My question is like, just mentioned few minutes back that why this was not there for 8 years ago. As you were.
Why didn't they tell me about this? Huh? Because
Yeah.
I had 3 children and 3 times the diapers.
So what you did, because MVP was not there that time.
You understand the question?
I understood, yeah.
मतलब तू क्या करती याद भी है तेरे
हाँ मेरे को याद है. It's only 8 years ago.
It's only 8 years ago.
Yeah. No, then you have to fold it and then you have to wrap it and then you have to put it in some plastic and tie it. It's quite
Opening windows, maybe.
open diaper. So yeah, open the windows so the neighbors can smell it. Not only your house. Huh.
But Farah, actually his question is very important. मुझे नहीं पूछा what you did. मैं 31 साल पहले मेरा बच्चा पैदा हुआ था. अभी मेरे I'm a grandfather now. अभी 2.5 महीने भी नहीं हो गए. But why he's asking you this because you had 3 times the smell in your house.
Yeah, I know that. Huh.
Oh, you know it. Good. She knows.
I know there were 3.
कभी कभी
That's what
oh
I'm
where
saying.
did you come from? Ah, come.
It's not a joke. 3 times the diapers you can imagine. Huh.
But they used to all diaper together at the same time. No,
Sorry,
separate
they are
time.
not robots. They used to do at separate times.
But after that, you used to spray something or some that.
No, because scent, perfume and all you don't want to spray near small children.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Now what do you do with the baby?
Now they don't use diapers.
They don't use diapers, okay.
Hello, Boman.
Hi.
Hi. Hello,
Hi, how are
Farah.
you?
Hi.
Devarati here from Bardhaman of Calcutta, Kolkata.
Nice to meet you. Thanks for
In
coming.
work to all of you.
To you too.
Doctor asks to avoid any kind of air purifier because of it is harmful for human body. Is it safe for human body?
The doctor says avoid air purifiers. What do you say to that?
Ambipure is safe for human body.
Yes, it's very, so it's been severely tested by R&D to ensure the quality, and then also that it's safe for people, of course. I can say most of the formulation is actually from natural ingredients, so ingredients that you find in nature, like the propellant, so the gas that pushes out the liquid, is nitrogen. So that's what we inhale here in this room as well. Okay? So I can really reassure you that it's completely safe for people to use.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
All right, so on that note, all right, ladies and gentlemen, so with that we come to the end of the question answers with the media and our brand ambassadors as well. Lekin, filhal, what we're going to do is we're going to announce for lunch, but our PR team will be connecting for the one-on-one question session with the media as well as our brand ambassador.
PR will
Please
talk
stay
to you.
tuned.
Thank you very much. Give her a big hand. And
Thank
ladies and
you.
gentlemen,
Thank
one
you,
last time, one more thing, one announcement, please, one announcement. I just want to say this. As far as we are concerned, we were here on time. We apologize if there's any inconvenience caused to all of you for the misinformation. So really, really sorry.
मुझे 1
Thank you
बजे
very
का
much for
बोला
being
था।
here. Thank you
मैं
very much.
12 बजे आ गई थी।
Thank you very much, Boman. Thank you, Farah. And